All right guys, today we're working on this 2006 Ford F-150. We're replacing the tailgate handle, and I got the little piece of trim that goes across the tailgate. I got it from Amazon, spent like 50 bucks. This will work from a 04 to a 08 Ford. I'll show you what happens with these tailgates. There's a piece of metal up in here. Right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, right here. When you push down on this and it opens the tailgate, right? Well, Ford thought it'd be smart and put a plastic piece that hits the metal. So you have these hex head bolts, I believe. Yeah, but mine have cement in them. I'm gonna have to use like some vice grips or something to remove them. So you get the plastic out of the way, right? Then you have this metal piece. I think it might be a 12. No, it's a 10. Yeah, it's a 10, y'all. So then just unscrew it on. All right, tailgate handle. This guy over there. Then you take your nuts, put them back on. Once you get it, so you got a little peg that goes right here, and then you got the same thing on this side, but there's a hole. On that side, there's just a slot. And once you get it in there, then it should be lined up, and you just tighten it down. This is plastic, so I wouldn't tighten it too tight because it might break, and it is cheap from Amazon. All right, let's see if it'll open. It'll open, but it's really tight. All right, y'all, so if y'all's tailgate's hard to open, these two rods, you can pull some slack out of it. You just pop this little tab up without breaking it. Pop the little tab up, and then you pull it out like that. And you pull it over, but you don't want to pull it too far because then it'll open. And the same way for the other side, just pop that tab open. And then take a little bit of slack out of it. And then make sure it still locks. Try it now.
Let me try. Much easier.
All right, y'all, put the piece of metal back on it. Put the plastic bed liner back on it. So now we'll go into this guy. He should just slide right on. Just clip right on. But look at the way it rolls. Look at your body. So he just goes on like this. Just kind of persuade it to go on there. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Like a totally different truck, y'all. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better. So yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. This will probably conclude this video. See y'all later. Peace.